If you hear a little noise in the background, ye old wife is doing some dishes and the dishwasher is going. Two videos today as usual, but these are going to be short ones. Short and sweet to the point. First, we start with silver from silverdoctors.com. Canadian maple leaves. That's the same thing essentially as the United States mint silver eagles. Our mint coin, mints that coin. It's the number one wanted coin as far as silver goes. The Canadian mint has a similar thing, which is the Canadian maple leaf. So while Canada may have just sold their last ounce of gold recently and has absolutely no gold at all in its possession, which is absolutely shocking to me, the citizens, or at least, because not just citizens in Canada, but people everywhere want to buy those maple leaves as well. But you can be rest assured a lot of people in Canada are buying them as well. Shocking silver demand. Canadian silver maple sales surge to highest record ever. You thought silver coin demand was strong last summer, he says. The Royal Canadian Mint just published its Quarter 1 2016 report, and the silver bullion coin sales figures were stunning, to say the least. Not only did sales of Canadian silver maple leaf surpass its previous record during the third quarter last year, it did so by a wide margin. Why is this such a big deal? Because Quarter 1 2016 sales of silver maples topped the Quarter 3 2015 record without surging demand and product shortages. Last year, there was a huge spike in silver retail investment due to the supposed Shemitah, or the collapse of the broader stock markets. Investors piled into silver in a big way as they perceived a year-end market crash was inevitable. During the last August and September, some websites stated 2-month delivery wait times for certain products such as a silver eagle or silver maple leaf. With the huge spike in demand, sales of Canadian silver maples reached 9.5 million ounces in Quarter 3 2015. Although, once investors became more relaxed as the broader markets turned around, demand for physical silver investment cooled down. Thus, silver maple sales declined to 9.1 million ounces in the last quarter of 2015. However, something very interesting took place during the first quarter this year. Sales of silver maples jumped to an all-time record high of 10.6 million ounces. Actually, I was quite stunned by the figures published in the recent Royal Canadian Mint report. Sales of silver maples jumped 1.1 million ounces in Quarter 1 2016 versus Quarter 3 2015, with no real spike in overall retail investment demand, which means investors bought more silver maples in Quarter 1 2016 than any other quarter in history. Furthermore, if silver maple sales continue to be this strong, the Royal Canadian Mint is on track to sell well over 40 million ounces compared to the 34.3 million ounces in 2015. If Silver Eagle sales also continue on their strong trend of 1 million ounces per week, the U.S. Mint could sell over 50 million ounces of these coins. Together, these two official mints could sell over 90 million ounces of Silver Eagles and maples in just 1 year. This goes to show investors who are frustrated by the short-term price moves of gold and silver that the market continues to purchase record volumes of these official coins regardless. That being said, the precious metal community needs to focus on the mid to long-term fundamentals of buying and holding gold and silver. Precious metals analysts would serve our industry better if we forego the hype in $50 silver and $2,000 gold this year mantra. I do believe the value of the precious metals will rise to levels much higher than we can imagine, but it will come when the greatest financial paper Ponzi scheme finally collapses. So it's best to continue focusing on the fundamentals rather than short-term price predictions. That is a Big 10-4. Take care.